machine is designed with a visual inspection function. It is used for remove unqualified cotton swabs. After the cotton swabs are well selected, it will be conveyed to the robot arm area. This machine is designed with automatic packing system, and no need workers to sit in front of the packaging table. For the packaging system, it is done with a maximum automation. What are the unique features of this machine? For this machine, it is designed with automatic cotton bud making, automatic drying. It is also designed with the function of camera visual selecting. It is also specially designed with automatic packing function. It will largely save the labor's work. This equipment is highly capable of fulfill your production requirement while offering optimal automation. We can also provide you overseas installation and training service. If you have any questions for this production line, don't hesitate to contact us. Welcome to add our WhatsApp. Welcome to contact us by email or by WhatsApp. Welcome to visit our company website. Thank you for your kind watching. We are looking forward to hearing from you.